Hi, my name is Dr. Kipp Magnussen here at Sylvan Veterinary Hospital, and today I'd like to give you some tips and techniques on how to give liquid medication to dogs and cats. The same technique can be used. Jewel here has graciously volunteered for this job, and so we're going to show you how to do this with her. Now, the first thing you want to do is most pets will take suspension pretty easily. But the first thing you want to do, if you've got one that's moving around a lot, the important thing is to get them to sit down. Then you may need to have a helper so that at the beginning, they're able to get the suspension and they don't fight. Because the more they can get away with and fight and not get to the suspension, the harder and harder it'll become. The less and less that they know they got to take the suspension, the easier it gets. So if you have an unruly patient, the one thing you want to do is put them in a corner and sit them down so that they can't back up. And just to get them to sit down here, and then by lifting the head, you can keep them back in that corner pretty easily. Now, with suspension, you don't actually have to go in the mouth like so. A lot of people believe that you have to give them the suspension right in the mouth. What works really well is if you get their head up, you just give them give them right in the corner of the cheek, and they will start swallowing. And all you need to do is just put it right in that cheek. And you can do the same thing with cats. It doesn't need to be inside the teeth. And they'll take all that just suspension. Just remember the technique. Back in the corner, keep your nose up, and you can just hang on to this cheek and go right into hang on to her upper lip and just drop it right into her cheek. All right? That's all there is to it.